Hello, I'm Bruna Ladera with VOA60 America for January 2nd. A blizzard is ready to slam into the northeast U.S. Forecasters say whiteout conditions, frigid temperatures, high winds, and up to a foot of snow will make for hazardous travel conditions. Explosion and apartment fire at a 3-story building in Minneapolis, Minnesota left at least 14 people hospitalized, 6 critically. Freezing weather and heavy flames made rescue efforts and fighting the fire difficult. A grocery store on the first floor of the building was a gathering place for the community's growing Somali population. Finally, New York Mayor Bill de Blasio was among newly elected officials sworn into office to launch the new year. He was sworn in by former President Bill Clinton. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.